Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you're warmly welcome. And thank you all so much for joining me today as we make some delicious burgers. Come along and let's get started. And as usual, all the ingredients that you will need will be in the description box below. I'm just getting started by chopping up a bit of parsley, and when I'm done with that, I'm gonna chop up some onions as well. So for these burgers, I'm using just ground beef. You can use a combination of beef and pork if that is your preference. And I'm going in with the onions and parsley, as well as a little bit of salt and some pepper. Alright, so the next ingredient to go in is some breadcrumbs, and I'm adding this just to allow the burgers to be extra juicy and to maintain a lot of moisture. And then to help bind the burger, I went in with 1 egg, and at this point I'm just going to mix it all together until all the ingredients are nice and incorporated into the beef. So I'm just flattening out my meat here, and I'm going to use my hand to score it into 4 relatively equal sizes. That way I get the same sizes for my beef patties. And then I'm gonna form it into round burger patties. Of course, there are burger presses that you can buy. I don't own one, but if you do, you can go right ahead and use that for more perfectly shaped beef patties. I'm using a grill pan with a little bit of oil. Of course, you can use any frying pan that you have, and these burgers would be perfect as well. And once my grill pan is nice and hot, I'm gonna go ahead and put my burger patties onto my grill pan, and I'm going to press it down a bit in the middle just to allow for more even cooking. After a few minutes, I'm gonna flip it onto the other side to allow that side to cook as well. Of course, the amount of time that you cook your burgers for will depend on how thick your burger patties are and also on how well done you like your burgers. And to get a little bit more flavor onto my onions, I'm going ahead to add it onto my grill pan just to get it to char and grill a little bit. And guys, while our burgers cook, let me take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all of you for your support so far. Thank you all so much for subscribing, for liking my videos, for sharing my videos, and for telling others about my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you for your support, and I know that we're only gonna get better from here. And today I'd like to say a very big thank you to Chef Ofori for sharing this recipe with me. And guys, look forward to more amazing recipes that I'm learning from him as well. So because my grill pan does not have a cover, I'm gonna go ahead and cover it with a bit of aluminum foil. And this is just to get the residual heat that will generate to cook the inside of my burgers to the point that I like it. And you can always put it in the oven to finish cooking on the inside as well. And after a few minutes of that, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my burger patties as well as my grilled onions. Now guys, if you wanted to make a cheeseburger from this, you could put your cheese slices onto your burger just before you remove it from the heat so that the residual heat will melt your cheese nicely for you. And I always love my burger bread to be nice and toasty and warm, so I have put some butter on it and I'm going to put it onto the grill pan for a few minutes to get nice and toasty and nice and warm. Now today it is lunch. For one, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble my burger, and I'm just going in with some mayo and ketchup mixed together. Don't ask why I mix it, I just like it that way. And I'm going in with a bit of lettuce, some tomatoes, and I had some leftover avocado, and I love avocados, so I'm putting a bit of that on there as well as my burger patties and my grilled onions. At this point, I was really contemplating how I'm gonna lift this to eat it. In the end, I ended up slicing it into two. And of course, I finished it with a little bit of French fries because hey, you gotta have French fries with a burger. If you liked this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section when you try this delicious burger out. And thank you all so much for coming along with me on this delicious journey. I'll see you again very soon. Take care, guys.